brilliant builders and the most creative workers in the world. Sometimes the imagination of the builders is so rich that then we simply don't know what to do with the creations. To demolish it or learn to live with them. Of course, Rome was not built in one day, but some building masterpieces are really impressive. The profession of builder is very ancient. Thanks to historical architectural buildings, we can learn a lot about the life and culture of our ancestors. Many structures have reached our days, the age of which is measured in millennia. Masters of construction pass their experience from generation to generation. Every year in our country, a large number of different buildings are erected everywhere. These are residential complexes, and cottage villages, institutions, industrial enterprises, etc. Therefore, the demand for the profession of builder is obvious. Builder, a profession that requires attention and full dedication. Choosing this path, a person should understand that the safety of people depends on the result of his work. There are many classifications of this profession, not requiring physical exertion, but a very responsible job for a design engineer. Such a person works in an office and designs civil or industrial buildings, setting forth all his thoughts on paper. It is important to clearly and competently carry out all the drawings and related documentation so that further construction and installation work does not cause any difficulties. The designer is responsible for the future operation of the structure no less than all the other participants in the construction. Engineering staff. They are the organizers of the whole process. This is the project manager, on whose shoulders lies the preparation of the budget, the selection of specialists for the necessary work, their organization and coordination.